Hello again, back with another kit. If you've watched me before, you'll know I really enjoy snap kits and curbside kits, and this is a curbside kit. It's an AMT 64 Galaxie, and I'm keen to build it. I'll give you a look at the box. And then we'll get stuck into it. So you can see what I mean with curbside, the bonnet doesn't open. That's what's meant by that. Now we'll go get all these parts washed. I'll just give you a quick look at them first. Oh, that's interesting. Got the stuff printed on there. Now, I actually had a suggestion from a viewer they want to see what this looks like painted white. Now, I haven't done a white car on the channel, but I have painted white cars, and this might be one of the few episodes where I change my usual primer to the Tamiya white primer, because I don't want to be trying to cover grey primer with white spray paint. So I'll show you that later. Anyway, I'll go get all these washed and I'll come back. I'm going to start getting things primed now. Usually I only use the Tamiya fine grey surface primer, but because we're doing a white car, I'm going to do the white one for the white car, and I'll use the grey primer for everything else. And this is everything else that's getting sprayed. There's not much there because it's a curbside kit. So make sure you protect yourself when you're using any sorts of paints or primers or anything like that. Follow all your safety directions and make sure you keep yourself safe. this is dried now. You could just stop there if you wanted, but I'll put some clear coat, just one coat. So I'm just giving you a little update. I'm working on a very simple black interior. I'm not going to use the wheels that come in the kit. I have been given by my friend some of these to try. So I'm going to try it. I'm going to see if I can position it so the car is lowered a little bit. I think that'll look pretty cool. I'll come back. I just got to get the bumpers on, get the interior in, and a couple of little trim bits, but we're almost there. I've just got the glass in now. It just pops up in. Nice and easy. Got the interior in. I'll get those front and back bumpers on and put those tyres on and come back, show you how it looks. So I'm drilling out. So if I'll just show you one of the stock rims. That's one of the rims that comes with the kit. Very beautiful rims, by the way. I'll be keeping them. But see how they push fit? I'm actually able to, using my little hand thing, which is like a twist turn bit, use the axles that came in the kit, which is pretty cool. So there's the decals you get. Obviously I chose not to use the headlight lenses, I just coloured them in. That shows you some of the others you can use. I won't be using many of them. Well, that was a very fun, quick build. You know, there's not a lot of parts in a curbside kit, so if you've got a, you know, you've hit your model building wall or whatever, they're a good way to break that. And I like quick builds anyway. I had it in my head I wanted to try a white car with a black interior, and this one just seemed to sit right out of the box. I thought, I don't have to muck with the ride height or anything, I'll just change the rims and see how it looks, and I'm really happy with how that's come out. So I did most of the silver work with foil. Probably the silver work on the car took longer than anything else. The actual build itself is very straightforward. You can see the rims I've changed. Now I didn't use anywhere near all the decals, I basically just used the front number plate and the rear number plate. Now sorry this was a shorter video, my tripod it had 3 legs, then it had 2 legs, then I fixed it, and then the leg fell off again, so it's back to having 2 legs. So I lost some footage, it kept falling over, but hopefully by the next video I've got a new tripod that keeps all its legs attached. But yeah, it was a fun little build, very simple. These push in. That was probably my favourite part of the kit, was the way these push in, because sometimes they can be tricky to mask off and to foil. It's a big car though, isn't it? My mother told me when she was a kid, they had some relative used to drive them around in a Galaxie. And when I took this out of the box, when I did the unboxing, I saw the bumper on it, and it just looked massive. I did a double take at the box. I thought, is this a 124th kit? But no, it was 125th. They're just a big car, and I've never seen one in person. So yeah, I was surprised there's a huge slab of plastic for 125th. There must be a big car. I thought being a two-door would be a smaller sort of build, but I've never actually seen one myself. So she said, my mum was telling me when she was little, she would get driven around in the back seat of a Galaxie, and she said she would look across the back seat to her sister, and it just seemed like she was miles away because of the width of the back seat. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the build. I'll get some photos for you, and yeah, it was a lot of fun. I'll come back with another build shortly and hopefully have a new tripod by then. Other than that, take care.